Paneer butter masala is a rich and creamy classical Indian curry recipe. It's not just tasty to eat but also easy to make. Let's see how to make one. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Heat up a pan and add in 2 teaspoons of oil and wait till the oil heats up. Once the oil is hot enough, add in 1 cardamom and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds begin to crackle, add in 1 finely chopped onion to this and saute till the onions are translucent. Once the onions are soft and translucent, add in 1 green chilli and some finely chopped tomatoes. I have used 2 tomatoes for this recipe. Saute till the tomatoes are soft and mushy. We can see that the tomatoes are soft. Now lower the flame and add in half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. To this add in quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt. Saute this for 30 seconds to a minute on low flame. To this add in 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts. Mix everything well and turn off the flame. Now let it cool for some time and come to room temperature. Once it reaches room temperature, transfer this to a mixer jar. Add in half cup water and grind to a fine smooth paste. Now in the same pan, add in a tablespoon of butter and allow the butter to melt. Once the butter has melted, add in 1 cardamom, half bay leaf, 1 cinnamon and 1 clove. Now saute this for a minute. To this add in the onion tomato puree. You can also add more water at this stage for a thinner consistency. To this add in quarter teaspoon of sugar and bring it to boil. Once the gravy begins to bubble up, add in the paneer cubes. Do not overcook the paneer as it tends to get hardened. To this add in 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Stir well for 30 seconds. Now garnish this with some dry fenugreek leaves or Kasuri methi and some fresh cream. Serve and enjoy. This goes well with rotis, chapatis, naan and rice. Hope you found this video useful. Do give this recipe a try and share in your feedbacks. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes.